What up, y'all? It's your boy Bemi. No J around, so you know what that means. This is shoe review day. And today I got something special for y'all. I got the Retro 5s. Came out in May. These came out in May 14th of 2011. And man, they're nice. Wolf gray all over. Suede that is soft. White stitching all around. And you got the, obviously was clear right here. Clear bottom. It's a little aging done to it, like these came out in 2011, so what do you expect? You got the silver Jumpman, the gray Jumpman on the insole, white insole. Reason I haven't even worn these is that they were size 11 and a half. I don't know what I was thinking. I think what happened was, so long ago, I believe what happened was they did not have a size 11. I could only get a size 11 and a half, and I was like, I wanted these, so that's what we was gonna have to do. And we find out though, 11 and a half is not too big. So I've been back and forth, am I gonna sell them, am I gonna keep them? And then I even made a deal with myself that, all right, I'll keep them, I'll sell them, and then by the 5 reds that come out in March, hey, it's a good deal. Then I got to that point again, and I was like, man, you know what, let me sell them. And I was like, you know what, I saw a guy who I did deal with, who I've done business with, his name is Caesar Martinez, if y'all know him. He's a good dude, man. Shoes are always legit on point. And we'll talk about that later. Y'all might want to tune in. No, y'all will want to tune in for that one. But we'll get to that later. He's a real cool dude. And I was like, bro, how do you sell your shoes? Like, I have an attachment to my shoe. He's like, bro, sometimes I can just sell them, but sometimes I can't. And I've not sold a shoe in my collection, and I have quite a bit of shoes. But hey, it is what it is, man. But these Jordan 5s are nice pickup. If you have them, you know what I mean. I'm sure a lot of you guys hoping these will retro again. I don't know if they will, but I'm sure knowing Jordan brand, they will, because I mean they run out of ideas. It's just what they do. And I think this was a highly sought after shoe. But man, these really aged pretty well. Like I said, I haven't worn them though, so that translucent sole is yellowing. I'm not sure how well the camera picks it up, but that's that on that. Hey, you know what? It's only right we do it on feet, baby. So let's get to it.
This is Andrew.
I even took out the white paper because I was trying to decrease the oxidation as much as I can. I remember reading on Nike Talk, people were like, man, take the white paper out, it helps with the oxidation. I don't know if that's the case. I mean, these I don't have any paper, it's just in the box by itself. So I don't know, what do y'all do to help with oxidation with your shoes, or what do y'all do to help keep your shoes in pristine condition if you know you're not going to wear them for a while? But I think I'm gonna do a lot of old shoes that I have and just, bring them out. Just let y'all see, do some more reviews and on feet, cause I got a lot. So, hey, y'all let me know in the comments below what you guys like to see. And if you haven't already, rate, comment, comment, subscribe, and interact with your boy in the comments. I'll answer. I'll answer. I'll interact with you guys. If you interact with me, we can interact together and make it an interactive circle. You did again. So let's do it, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all not too crazy about it, but hey, look what? Some Jordan Off-White 5s are coming out, so everybody in the masses want them. But to me, I've always liked Jordan 5s. Matter of fact, when I first started getting shoes again as I got older, my first pair of Jordans was Jordan 5 metallic silvers. Matter of fact, I'll do a video on those. The soles of those are cracking. But yeah, man, so hey, if y'all can get them Jordan Off-White 5s, more power to you. I'ma try. We'll see.
Switch up my lifestyle. Yeah.